Performing a backfill on the 50/50 nail is fast and easy. Use the Edge Silver 150 file to remove product from the white free edge, and thin the product on the nail beds, leaving the bulk in the center. Prepare the regrowth area by lightly filing with the Edge Silver 180 file and continue smoothing the remaining acrylic as necessary. Dust with the fluffy and cleanse the nails with NAS 99 antiseptic solution and allow the nails to dry. Apply 1 coat of Bond-Aid pH balancing agent to the natural nail only. Once the Bond-Aid has dried, you can apply the Bond-X formula that is right for your client. Choose Original Bond-X for the client who typically does not experience acrylic lifting, or Maximum Strength Bond-X for lift-prone clients. Wet the existing acrylic with absolute liquid. This will help the first beads slide easier on the nail. Apply a large bead of Absolute Perfect White to the free edge, pushing the product into place to form the new smile line at the stress area of the nail. Detail the smile line using the tip of the brush. The concentrated opacity of Absolute Perfect White allows you to lay the product thinner, which prevents the thick appearance back-filled nails typically have. It also reduces the amount of filing needed to complete the set, thus reducing time. Fill in the corner with a drier bead. Using the tip of the brush, form the corner points, and repeat on the other side. Apply a medium bead of transparent pink to fill in the cuticle and another bead of pink to fill in at the stress area. Stroke the acrylic out over the nail to blend the nail bed area. Once the product is cured, shape the free edges and contour the nail surfaces with an OPI Profiles Edge Silver 150 file for straight, clean sidewalls and quick reduction of length. Apply a drop of Avoplex oil to each cuticle and Avoplex lotion in your choice of original or fragrance-free.